Hello, this is a presentation video of this TRACTIVE GPS tracker for dogs, and this is the model TRACTIVE Dog XL. I ordered this straight from their own site tractive.com, which I recommend. They have really good prices and the delivery time is really fast. And I will also put a product link with a discount in the description box below if you are considering of purchasing one of these. Let's first do unboxing of the package to see what's included in the package, and then we install the TRACTIVE Dog XL with a dog collar. It only took 1 week this package to arrive when I made the order through their own website tractive.com. Let's open the package and see how the device looks. This is the TRACTIVE for Dogs model XL standard. And here is the charging cable for the tracker. It has this USB connector. This charging cable has really strong magnet and it connects with the tracker really strongly. And when we plug the USB cable with a power source, it starts to charge the tracker, and the red LED light is turned on while it's charging the tracker. If you have trouble starting the charging, make sure that these 4 pins are connecting to each other. Now the tracker's rechargeable battery is fully charged and we can remove the charging cable. You can also use a power bank to charge the tracker. And let's attach the tracker with the dog collar. And by pressing this button on the top of the tracker, we can turn the tracker on. And one more good feature of this tracker is that you can charge the tracker while the tracker is attached to the collar. If your collar is soft enough that it bends a little bit. And to remove the tracker from the collar is also really easy. Just take off these rubber bands. This was the short presentation of this Tractive Dog XL GPS tracker. Thanks for watching and bye.